Hi riders, Steve at the Cyclery Bike Shop, and today I am with Michael Curtis. We just got done fitting his Specialized Crux. You can see Mike's a really fit guy, new to cycling, but dove in about a year ago and has been hitting it hard ever since. Was thinking he might be in a bad spot, so we came in, we ran him through the process, and what we found on his bike was that the saddle was a little bit low, so we brought it up about 15 millimeters. Saddle came forward, but just a little bit of a smidge. The big difference happened up in the front end, where we pushed out a good 20 millimeters and we came down, as you can see, a good 20 millimeters. So he wasn't feeling crunched, but when we got him on the bike and allowed him to just kind of let his body settle in, he opened up a little bit, and this is where we ended up. He just got done doing a test ride. Michael, how'd it feel?
Good. I think I feel like, I don't know, more natural on the bike, I guess. I'll have to do like a longer ride to be 100%, but already feels a lot better.
So when we had you on the bike and we had found your position, we were all really good with that. Then I moved the bike into the position of your current setup. What did you feel when I did that move?
For the same amount of power, it seemed like the effort was higher generally, and I felt more like crunched in.
So the resistance setting that we had you set at, would you say it felt more difficult?
Yeah, exactly.
And then once we put you back into the position we had found, that resistance felt easier.
Yep.
So, and it really showed on the bike. When we moved him into his old position, he was laboring, and then we backed him back into the fit position we found, and it just kind of opened up for him. So he'll ride this. What did you think about the process?
It was cool. A little bit strange because you keep like making the small adjustments and like, oh, which way is better, kind of like an eye test. But
yeah.
But I think it like gets progressively towards like, I don't know, where I wanted to be on the bike.
So Mike's an engineer, so he got the numbers. It was easy to talk to him. And when you don't get it, then we make sure you do get it. So we don't care how long it takes. Everybody's going to understand what their fit is and what the numbers mean and where we were and then where we end up by the time it's all said and done. Thanks, Mike.
Yep, thank you.
If you've got a bike you want help with, just swing by, go to the cyclerybikeshop.com, book yourself a Guru Fit. We can get you hooked up and you'll have a much better ride. Have a great day.